All right, bro. We got Steven's Mustang here. Tell me what you done did, bro.
Me and Brandon, we actually just installed the 18 manifold. It's not ported, but we put the lockouts in. It was a pretty simple install. We also did the catch can I got from one of my buddies, Pedro. It's off of Gen 3, but it works. It actually catches a lot of oil. And the other day, took it to the exhaust shop, got the cats taken off. And now we're about to go on the laptop and upload the Luntune and see how she rides.
Tell me about the tune on the first tune we had.
All right, so basically the first tune that we had, it ran good except for when it hit third gear. When it hit third gear, it would bang off limiter and then finally shift. So I had one revise it to how I want it. Now it hits it and shifts real quick. It doesn't bang off limiter. And since then, it's been running great.
We got a video of that we'll play for you real quick.
No prep. So basically, since last time we came to the track, we did the 18 manifold. I didn't get it ported, but it's also on a 193 race tune. We got slicks and skinnies on it tonight.
Well, 26 by 10, 15s.
Basically, the first pass that we made, I launched it a little lower, and second pass, I launched it off stall. It ran a 12.1 with the 1.860 foot, so I'm happy with that. We'll go back and keep modding her and see if we can break 11s this year.
Yeah, we're going 11s this year. Big plans. We got this. Cooking 12.2 at 116. That boy's scooting. At 100.
Yeah, in some all white Air Force, coming in, taking off at the Clear Point. Ooh, shooting shots, nothing less.